I'm Caroline. I started as a volunteer, children and young people's wellbeing practitioner. I'm now a part-time parent wellbeing practitioner in a paid position. I was looking for a career change and moving away from lecturing and to retrain as a counsellor. I saw that Having an East Hants Mind were recruiting for volunteers, so I completed the application form that was available online, and then I was called for an interview. And then later that day, they called me to say that they would like to offer me a volunteer role. I was made to feel really welcome, and I had a really interesting and thorough induction. So I found the training really interesting, learning how to support people with their well-being, but also understood a little bit more about how important it is to support your local mind for the community that you live in. As a volunteer, I've helped run a stand at Wellbeing Fair at a local college. I've also worked with young people in secondary schools, providing one-to-one support, helping them deal with the challenges that they have to deal with in modern teenage life. We've also run exam stress and anxiety workshops. I've now gained some great experience after 6 months, having learned new computer systems, mindfulness, and also working at the Young People's Safe Haven in Havant. That requires lots of skills to provide an inclusive and welcoming and comforting and fun environment for young people that may be struggling with their well-being and providing them with emotional support. After 6 months, I saw a part-time position was advertised and I applied for this, and I was successful, and now I have a paid part-time position to be a parent wellbeing practitioner within the children and young people's team. Parenting a child or young person that is struggling with their mental health can be a really tough journey. So providing support to parents through self-care, social support groups and workshops can be really key to everybody's well-being. I've really enjoyed the experience of volunteering, and having never volunteered before, not only has it given me new skills and insight into what it's like to provide support to people, and I found it really rewarding. The people at Havant and East Hants Mind are some of the nicest people I've worked with. They're kind, they're fun, and they're really professional. We're lucky to have such an amazing charity in our area. So thank you, Havant and East Hants Mind. Who knew volunteering could offer so much? So if you've been thinking about how you can support your local community, look at the volunteering opportunities with your local mind.